Okay, so after installing Flutter, we have to create Flutter app, and we have to learn that how we can simulate our Flutter app in our mobile phone and in our browser also, both the places. So in this video, I'm going to show you to create or to install your Flutter app and run your app or run your Android app, run your mobile app inside your mobile phone and as well your browser also. So let's see. Firstly, I'm just going to open my terminal, or you can say command prompt. You can say command prompt, right? And on the desktop, I'm creating a new folder, Flutter data. Now I'm just going to change my location. Like by default, you will be here on your root directory. You have to change. So I'm just going to change CD desktop, and I'm just going to change location Flutter data. That's it. After that, what we will do, we need to create Flutter app. So how we can create it? Flutter create, then your app name. Suppose for example, demo app. So this is my app name. When you click enter, they will create your app. So now my app is going to ready. Now it's done. They created your app, or you can say they created a just dummy app or demo app for you. Now after that, you can start coding or start editing your app. So we will learn that how we can edit these apps, but with the help of this video, you have to learn that how you can run your Flutter app, right? That's perfectly fine. Now after that, what you have to do, clear it, or if you're Windows user, so you will use CLS. I'm using clear, right? After that, you have to open your VS Code. In your first video, you know that how you can install your VS Code, how you can install your some plugins and all the things you know from the first video. So what I'm doing here, I'm just going to open my VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So now I'm just going to open this. After opening this VS Code, right, that will be like clean VS Code. You will not get this type of project on, right? After that, you have to just click on file, click on open. When you click on open, you have to jump for desktop, because we created on desktop, we created our app. So now Flutter data, inside it we have this folder demo app. We don't have to open this folder, right? This would be as same. I'm just going to click on demo app and going to click on open. When we click on open, they will open a Flutter app like this. This is your project structure. We don't have to understand right now. We will understand it right when we learn during the learning time, during the live classes, right? But now our focus is to run your Flutter app on your mobile phone as well your browser. So firstly, I'm going to show you that how you can run your Flutter app on a browser, and you can simulate your Android app or mobile app on a browser. After that, I will show you that how you can run same app on your mobile phone directly live, right? So that will be like amazing thing. So what I'm doing here, you will be just click on top. You will get this option terminal, click on terminal and click on new terminal, When you click on new terminal, you will get this terminal on your VS Code, right? And your location will be your project directory. Like my project directory is demo app. So you can see my project inside my demo app. So this is my current location. After that, what I have to do, guys, I have to run some commands. I will share these commands with all of you, right, in the written format on group. But here I'm just going to type some commands. First command is Flutter channel. Flutter channel, then beta. We are going to switch our channel, right? So we have multiple channels, 4 channels we have. So we are going to switch our Flutter into the beta channel, right? So when we click enter, switching to your Flutter channel beta. So they are just going to switch your channel into the beta channel, right? And now I'm getting that I'm already on beta channel, right? So my current channel is beta channel. That's perfectly fine. Now CLS or clear, both the things you can use here. After that, we have to upgrade our Flutter. After switching your channel, we have to upgrade. So how we can upgrade? Flutter upgrade. When you run this app, they will install some prerequisites, right, in your system. They will take some time. After that, you can see that this installation finished, and you will be again back on your terminal, right, or on your command prompt. Now again CLS, again clear. After that, we have to enable BAP config. BAP config, it means we have to enable our project or enable our Flutter so we can run our Flutter apps on our BAP browser also, right? So how we can do this? Simple. Just use Flutter, then config. Flutter config, then dash dash, right, or hyphen hyphen, then enable. Enable, then again hyphen BAP, right? And these two hyphens, hyphen one, hyphen two, then enable, then again one hyphen, then BAP, right? And there is no space between them. Like they will like this is just single word, you can say, right? Okay, then click enter. When you click enter, they will config or they will execute some commands behind the scene, and they will give you this response. Setting enable BAP value to true, right? So we are going to set it. After that, do nothing. We have to just start our app on the Chrome. So how we can do this? That's really very simple. Flutter Run. When you click on this command, Flutter Run, then what happened, guys? They will ask you, like suppose for example, I'm just going to run Flutter Run, click enter. Now what they are saying, they're saying that you have multiple devices. You have your web server, you have your Chrome, where you want to execute this Flutter app, right? And if we connect our mobile phone also, like suppose if we connect my mobile phone also, so they will give you three outputs or three possibilities, that you have multiple possibilities to run your Flutter app. So now I'm going to choose fun, like you are getting this. If you enter 0, they will start on web server, we don't want it. If we enter 1, they will start on Chrome. So I'm just going to click 1. When you click 1, they will launch a program on browser like this. They will take some time, but first time only. After that, they will launch your browser automatically like this. Just wait a minute, they will launch it. So as you can see, they are going to open your browser like this. Demo app, this is your app name, like demo app. Now they will open your Flutter app, will be ready here. You're not going to code anything. You're not going to type this text. You're not going to type this. You have pushed the button this many times, right? And you are not going to create this button. But when I click on this button, they will increment. So this is your first step. Right now, we can understand that some of you have problems related to configuration in your system. You not have a good configured system like GPU systems, or a bit no, good memory, right? But we have Chrome, and if we want to execute our Flutter app, or if we want to visualize our Flutter app, we can visualize our Flutter app on Chrome and live when we work. And during the training time, during the learning time, we will show you that how you can apply changes on a Flutter app live or an instant, right? So now this is your first step. Next step is, if we want to, like suppose for example, if we want to run the same app on my mobile, and I want to check that how my mobile look like, right? And how this app look like in my mobile phone. So what I'll do, let's check. I'm just going to switch my screen, and I'm just going to share you my mobile screen. Then I can show you that what configuration we need to run our Flutter app in our mobile phone directly. So I'm just going to switch it like this. Now, as you all can see that this is my mobile phone screen, I'm just going to jump on settings. On the settings, you will get some options. So we have to check about phone or about mobile, whatever. You will get multiple options based on your mobile phone company, mobile phone, right? We will click on mobile phone, right? Or about phone, sorry. We'll click on about phone. You will get multiple options. So maybe on the top, maybe on the bottom, maybe on the middle, you will get some options like build number or about phone, something like this. As MI phones, you will get this option, MIUE version, right? And where you will get this stable version, or you can say built number. You have to click on this multiple times like this. As I'm going to click, so you can see no need, you are already a developer. But when you click in first time, when you do this first time, you will get after clicking multiple times, you will get one notification that now developer mode activated, right? So now you can apply some changes on your mobile applications and you can install your mobile applications directly, right? So this is developer mode. Now what we will do, we will just back on the top of the settings and search here. What we will search here, we will search developer option. You can see guys, we have this developer options. You will click here. When you click, you will get these some options. The options can vary according to your mobile, right? But you will get these two options. On the debugging, you will get these two options like this in this format, right? Not in this format. In this pattern, right? Both the services will off, right? USB debugging, you will get off, and install by USB, you will get on. So firstly, you have to open, you have to select USB debugging, so you have to allow it. So USB debugging, it means you can install your applications, you can debug with the help of USB connectivities, right? Second thing, you have to activate install by USB. When you click it, that's perfectly fine. After that, you have to perform nothing. That your mobile is ready to work with your Android applications, right? Okay, so now I'm just going to close this. I'm just going to close. Now you can see this applications. You can see this applications. What I'm doing here, I want to run this application. I want to run this application on my mobile phone. So how we can run this application? Let's see. I'm just going to connect my mobile. I'm just going to connect my mobile to with the help of my USB cable. Right. That's it. When you connect this on first time in your your mobile phone, first time, then you will get options that do you want a debug option? So you will get these type of options. If you get, that's perfectly fine. You have to allow it. If you not get, that's again perfectly fine. There's no problem. After that, jump on terminal or jump on your Visual Studio Code, and you have to click Control C, Control C. When you click Control C, now you have to type CLS or clear. After doing this, what you have to do, you have to run again same command, Flutter Run. Perform nothing, just run same command, Flutter Run. When you click it, when you click on Flutter Run, you will get, they detected my mobile phone, Redmi K20. They detected my mobile phone. They are going to assemble, or they are going to just run my app. First time, they will take a lot of time to run your mobile app or to run your application into your mobile application, into a mobile. But after that, there will be like, they will not take up too much of time. Like they will work fine, and you can see your life changes in your mobile applications. So just wait a minute. They will take some time as you. So now they are going to install. They will ask me in my mobile phone that do you want to install by USB? I will click on install. Now you can see my mobile applications. Just a second, guys. I'm just going to share my mobile screen. Yeah, this is. So this is my mobile screen. Now you can see you will get this app into a mobile application also, right? So this app is live in my mobile phone, right? If I click here, if I click on this button, you can see I'm just going to click here, right? And there is increment. So now we can say that my Flutter app is going to work in my mobile phone also, in my browser also. So on both the places, you can run your mobile application, run your Flutter applications. This is the basic procedure you have to know before our class, before our like live class. And after that, we will start learning from the basics Firstly, we'll cover a basic of Dart programming language. Then we will learn how to create a Flutter app, how to modify it, how to implement all the things, how to change the color, how to change this color, how to create this app bar, how to create this text, button, font, everything we will learn from basics, right? And after that, we will create some beautiful apps. So let's see. See you in the class. Thank you so much to be here. Bye bye. Have a good day.